so high, did not recognize fire burning in her eyes. The chaos that control my mind. Whisper goodbye, she got on a plane, never to